What is up, YouTube? My name's Justin, and we're gonna be doing a little creek smallmouth bass fishing today. I'm here with my cousin Dylan. He's right up there. We're gonna be seeing what kind of smallmouth and red eye / rock bass we can catch today. All right, so we're starting to head down towards the water. We've got a little sketchy path here. Looks like kayakers haven't been coming down here in a while. Yeah, it's a little thick in here.
Oh, what was that?
Was it a rabbit?
I have no idea what that was, dude. Oh, yeah, it's a rabbit right there.
Okay, good.
Yeah, she's flowing, son.
You gotta go through the thick stuff to get to the fish.
Kids.
All right, guys, this is our view.
Oh.
We're gonna do some wading today. Pretty deep. All right, let's see if I can get up in this shallow.
Water actually feels good.
I know it's not bad. It feels, I'd say 60s. So guys, last time me and Dylan were here, we caught 46, I think. Oh yeah, right up here is not bad. If we can get through these rough rocks. I'm gonna have to put my Crocs in sport mode. Oh, I got something. Oh yeah, I got one, smallmouth.
Are you serious?
Yeah, let's go.
No way.
Dude, let's go. I was walking. All right, guys, we got the first one of the day. It's a smallmouth. Here, let me get it off the hook and I'll show you what we're trying to catch here. So we just got a little guy. But as you can see, the kind of difference in a smallmouth and a largemouth is that you can tell it has that, I mean, smallmouth, of course, has a smaller mouth than largemouth, but it's got that copper color on it. And they're very pretty fish, especially in the creek where it's natural and healthy. So we'll put this guy back and try and catch some more. Yeah, dude, that one was weird because I was walking and I thought the current had it. And I started to reel in and it's smallmouth. All right, guys, so the spot we thought was gonna be the juice was not. We got skunked. I'm gonna make one more cast. I just seen something hit. Let's see if I can get anything there. Nope. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we found a trail, so we don't have to go all the way back down through that water. You guys can see how rough and swift the current is. We're gonna walk this trail we found out here if I can get across. Huh? Oh, that's weird. Okay, let's get across here. Okay. Now we just gotta watch for snakes right here. This is very snaky. No, I think this is a like truck trail, four-wheeler trail. So I've seen people driving on it before. All right, guys, we're gonna walk and get to our spot, and then I'll. All right, so we've made it to the other side of the bridge. We found a good shady spot here. We're gonna sit here for a couple minutes and see if we can get anything here. So this is kind of what we're working with. I'm gonna get on top of a rock here. So you can see it smooths out and it goes, we're going that way. So see if we can get one right in here. Starting to warm up now for sure. You guys can see, so when that sun comes out, you can see, if you look here, all this is warm and hot and sunny, and these, if you turn here, you see these shade pockets, just gets really dark, and that's a lot cooler on the fish, so they tend to get under those trees.
At least someone to do it.
Woo! Man, this is deep. So guys, if you want a depth reference, so I have my GoPro on my chest strap here, and I'm actually 6'9", and that water is chest deep, so if that helps you out at all. Oh, okay, found a rock. This spot right here should be juicy. Hopefully, it's not moving at all. Yep, got hammered. Okay, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna fix this and expose the hook a little more.
Expose the hook?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's exposed a little bit.
Because I just can't.
Huh?
Those red eye just aren't committing to it.
Be careful with that hook. There's a sinker on there. I'm dragging the bottom a little bit.
Yeah, getting rocks. got one. Dylan has hooked up on a red eye here. Woo. Okay, you're gonna have to come with me. I'm balancing on a big rock here. All right, so I'll show you guys what a red eye is. Let me get this pole.
Come on.
I have one, hold this. Dang it. I lost it.
Here's a red eye, guys.
Okay, so red eye, you can see, so they've got a pretty big mouth for their size themselves, but why they're called red eyes, you can see that red eye right, you can see how red that eye is. So they they look like a condensed bass is the way I've always kind of described them. Let me get it in the sun here. So it's kind of like a condensed bass. But yeah, like the red eye there. But yeah, they're really cool fish to catch, and they're fun to catch. All right, first red eye. All right, guys, so we've moved to a new spot here. It's pretty calm. In the past, we've caught several. Hopefully we can get some more here. Oh, there's the bot. Dang, I missed him. I'd seen him. They're loaded right here, red eye. So like I said earlier in the video, we call them red eye, but scientific term's rock bass. But they're called a rock bass because they love to be around rock, and normally if you can find a bunch of rock with low current, you can catch them. That's what we're trying to do. Oh, does he have a puppy? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I think it's a puppy. It looks like an Anatolia.
Okay, no bites so far. You want to keep working our way down that way? Oh, there's one. Got one. Dang, he's right there. I'm counting it. That's 5 for the day. He was right there. Dang it. I don't know what the deal is. I had him. Let's try and expose that hook a little more.
I think it's too swift right there, Justin. I don't think we're catching anything right there.
No, there's a spot down in there. There's like 2 or 3 spots down there. No, yeah, right there is, yeah. Right there is a no-go. It's hard to, that's even hard to walk. But yeah, we're gonna fish this spot a minute and then head. Here, let me try and unplug the camera. We're gonna head that way in the very swift current there. All right, guys, so Dylan just caught a red eye. I'm gonna try and walk over to him. What is that, 6? Okay, and we'll.
That's a good sized red eye.
Now we've caught this one. That is a big red eye. Here, I'll try and zoom in on you. Show the camera. Gone?
Things are slick.
Okay. All right, that's number 6. We're gonna head down this really swift and probably not too smart to walk down current, but we'll get down there and try and catch some more. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we decided not to go down there. We went halfway and then decided we might as well come back, and I guess it paid off because second cast up here caught a red eye. And there it goes. It went on its own. That's number 7 for the day. What we're gonna do is, instead of going down through that mess, we're gonna just kind of go back and retrace our steps from earlier and see if we can catch any in the same spots we fished earlier today.
We make days like today.
Dylan caught another red eye for, what is that, 8? Or no, 7? 7, I think. 7 or 8. If he can get off the hook, I'll show you guys a better view. Man, those things are so slick to hold. Never mind, we'll catch another one though, and I'll get another close up for you. We're gonna fish this spot a few more minutes and then move up.
One more thing, it's just because we're in the water and like.
No, they're hard. Yeah, they're very slick, and once you get them on the hook, they're still, I mean, they're easy to pin down, but they're hard to stay on the hook when you take them out of the water. But yeah, this spot right here is loaded with red eye. No, thought I had one.
Are you still using the
Yeah.
What the heck? He wasn't even tugging on it. Like, I felt like tension, but then like I reeled in and he let go. Spit it out. I don't remember them being this hard to catch. Do you?
No, they're, last few times we've been, they're like, they bite you and you literally just pull and reel in and you got them.
Maybe because it's deeper.
Since we're kind of at a calm spot here,
What the heck?
if you guys, Dylan just missed one. If you guys enjoy any outdoor stuff, if you enjoy this content and fishing, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and because we'll continue to do more. We're wanting to do some hunting and fishing, and since it's summer right now, we'll do more hunting and fishing. But Dylan just hooked up with one for number 8. But with that being said, we're wanting to do some hunting and fishing, and this summer I'm going to put out some trail cameras and everything, and we're wanting to do some camping challenges, some catch and cooks. Just comment what you guys would like to see, and we'll do whatever you guys want us to do. So let me see number 8 if you can get a hold of them. We gotta get the double digits today. That's the goal. You get him?
No. Dude, that thing is real.
Where did it hook him at?
Right here.
Top of the lip?
Yeah.
Here, let me hold his lip and
I
I'll.
don't want to.
You won't lose him.
Well, I know, but.
I got a thumb like a hammer.
Golly, son. Oh my God.
See it. Here, hold this. That is a weird spot.
It is. Did you get it?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Number 8.
That's 9.
Oh, number 9. Sorry, number 9. Another red eye / rock bass. There he goes.
Dude, your hands are so slimy after holding those.
So we're gonna fish this spot another minute, and I think we're gonna do a couple more casts and then keep moving up the creek. So.
No.
Okay, guys, just caught number 10, and Dylan has lost his shoe in the quicksand. Where'd it go?
I don't know. I was right here.
Oh my gosh, dude, that is horrible. Dude, that's really quicksand.
Huh?
That's quicksand. So there's number 10. We're now in double digits. Okay, guys, number 11 of the day. And we actually have a bluegill. It's gorgeous. I'll get him off the hook and I'll show you the colors.
It's about the freaking water.
I mean, look at these colors. Ow! Got bit by a horsefly. But look at these colors on this fish. I mean, let me get him in the sun here, so you can see how bright and baby blue he is. And that's super pretty. So this is bluegill / sunfish. You can see the chest.
Thank you, guys. Pretty.
So gorgeous fish. We'll let him go. It's number 11 for the day. All right, guys, so we finally made it to the truck. We caught 11, lost 2 shoes, made it out of that sketchy trail again. So Dylan's barefoot now because the creek ate his shoes and we couldn't find them. But like I said earlier, if you guys like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm gonna be making a lot more outdoor related stuff, whether it be hunting or fishing or catching cooks, camping, hunting or fishing challenges, just anything like that. I'm gonna be making a lot more of that kind of stuff, and if there's anything that you guys recommend or prefer, just comment down, and we'd be willing to do just about anything. So thanks again, and remember, Jesus loves you, and God bless.